Hi guys, this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the whole process of a mandala art that I did on my room door. Now previously I did paint a door of a 3D block painting I did on my door. The link will be here, you can watch it, or the link will be in the description box. You can go and check that video. This time I thought, since I like mandala, I love doing mandala art, so I thought why not do it on a door. So this time I have done that. Watch the whole video. Let me know in the comment section on how it looks, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel. So my plan was flowers and mandala. The first flower that came into my mind was sunflower, but I kind of changed it into lotus. Then I started drawing lotus with a pencil and some leaves, like 2 to 3 lotus I drew in different, like one in a bud, one proper blossomed, one little half blossom, that. And then after drawing I started painting it. I used matte acrylic paints. I didn't want it to look glossy at first, and then next I also added some shade with a darker pink tone. For that I used the normal acrylic colors, and then I did the same with the leaves. First the light color, then to give some shade or outline used a darker paint. So after painting, I took this marker, that is the acrylic paint markers that I bought from Miniso for 60 bucks. The first thing I did was outlining every flower and leaf, and then I thought of drawing symmetrical mandala circles, but then I thought I'll just go with random designs. This is the first time I'm drawing so many designs at one surface. At a point I really thought it could be very easy, I can do it, but then it took me so long. I think it took me weeks to complete the whole door. I actually thought it will take a less time, and I honestly kind of got little bored also during the drawing process. I thought it will be fun, but maybe I drew the designs very minute. I think that is the reason I got a little bored, but I really love the output. So wait and watch the whole video to find out the output.